everyone. Welcome to Adobe Experience Manager Holiday Readiness, the podcast where we dive deep into the fascinating world of Adobe Experience Manager and how you can take some actions right away to prepare for a successful 2023 holiday season. I'm your host Murtaza Kagalwala, and joining me is Asad Shafi, and we are thrilled to be your guides on this electrifying journey through the Adobe Experience Manager content management system landscape. Whether you are a seasoned tech guru, a curious beginner, or somewhere in between, Royal Cyber's podcast series is your one-stop destination for all things Adobe. We'll unravel the latest trends, dissect complex concepts, and share insights from our experts. Each episode, we'll bring you through thought provoking interviews with our hands on tech team, tips and tricks, and discussions on how you can improve your digital landscape. Plus, we'll answer your burning questions about the Adobe platforms you love. So, whether you're commuting, at the gym, or simply enjoying your coffee at home, join us as we explore the cutting edge of technology and celebrate the incredible innovations that shape our world. Get ready to geek out and have some fun along the way. Let's get started. As the holiday season approaches, there are always heightened user expectations and hence increased pressure on digital systems. Ensuring that your Adobe Experience Manager content services are fully prepared for the holiday rush is of paramount importance. To this end, we've outlined a comprehensive plan that includes the essential tasks and initiatives to fortify your AEM system for a successful holiday season ahead. First up is what is known as feature flag cleanup. So, Asad, please guide us through what is the objective and importance of this feature.
Thanks, Murtaza. The Feature Flag Cleanup Initiative aims to identify and eliminate redundant or unused feature flags within your AEM system. Feature flags are essential for toggling specific features on or off within an application. Removing obsolete feature flags streamlines your system, reduces complexity, and enhances performance. This decluttering process ensures that your development team can work efficiently and make necessary updates with ease during the holiday season.
Next up is the Looking Glass report, wherein you can identify major and critical errors in the system. So, Asad, let us know something more about this report.
The Looking Glass report for AEM is designed to conduct a thorough analysis of your AEM system with a special focus on identifying and addressing major and critical errors or issues that could adversely affect system performance and reliability. Addressing major and critical errors in AEM before the holidays is a critical step to ensure a seamless user experience. This preemptive action minimizes the risks or system disruptions, downtime, or data loss when staffing availability might be limited.
Number three on the list is a dashboard like Splunk and New Relic. Asad, can you tell us a little bit more about this dashboard?
The creation and maintenance of dashboards is monitoring tools such as Splunk and New Relic are essential real-time tracking performance systems, monitoring application health and visualizing key metrics. Well-maintained dashboard empower your team to proactively identify and address any issues that may arise during the holiday season. This is especially vital as traffic patterns and system usage can fluctuate significantly during this period.
Thank you. And of course, can't stress the importance of performance testing. This is key to any application or any platform. Asad, let us more how performance testing during this time can really help keep the systems up and ready for the holiday season.
Absolutely. Establishing a dedicated system team for performance testing during the holiday season is focused on evaluating your system's ability to handle the increased load and ensure optimal performance during the peak usage. The holiday season typically sees a significant surge in an online activity. Having a specialized performance testing team ensures your system can efficiently accommodate the heightened demand, preventing the performance issues or system failures.
Let's now talk a bit more about holiday upsizing, shall we?
Sure. The holiday upsizing strategy involves scaling up our server or infrastructure resources to handle the expected increase in holiday traffic and demand. This can include provisioning additional servers, optimizing cloud resources, and enhancing network configurations. Upsizing is essential to prevent system overloads and maintain optimal performance during the holiday period. It guarantees that your system remains responsive and can meet user expectations even during peak times.
Thank you, Asad. Apart from the points that we've already discussed, there's also a need for code cleanup exercises, code coverage as part of test cases, and ensuring you have a plan to get these work items done by your development and support teams well in advance of the holiday season. Incorporating these initiatives into your holiday readiness plan for AEM content services will help guarantee a seamless and successful holiday season. With a well prepared system that can handle the heightened demands of the festivities while providing a reliable and user friendly experience. Thank you for listening and looking forward to bringing you all another exciting topic in the near future.